Hey guys, Nikki here, and I got this beautiful short number for my first wig. So if you're interested, please continue to watch. Hey guys, so if you can't tell, we have a very simple wig today. Look at this number. Look at this number. It's so natural. It's so short. It's already bumped for us. I'm gonna have a grand old time with this one. So the first step is to just get it on. But first, let me put some clips off the website so you can see how it look on the website and all of the specs to the wig. Can tell I'm in a different setup today, but we're gonna make it work, right? So I'm just gonna put it on and see what I have to work with, honey. So initially it's not really tight off the bat. The ear tabs are perfect. I do not have to cut them today, right? Comes with a middle part. So guys, the first thing I will be doing is tightening the drawstring at the back. You guys can see it. I just pull it till I can't anymore. Just go, and then tuck it under. I came in a little closer so you guys could see. Just, it's a simple wig. Simple, short unit. Okay, so this is how we look up front with nothing on it. I'm not gonna do a real permanent hold today. We're gonna go with regular hairspray, and then we're gonna work it out. It's even cute, like pushback like that, huh? Oh my gosh, I just love my first wig. They have the best manageable wigs. They look so good. You can wear them over and over. The color is always good. The lace is always good. I don't even have to put makeup on my lace. It blends good. The hair is good. They last a long time. Hence why I keep talking about them every month, all the time. So let's spray this down. So I tell you guys all the time, the easiest way for me to handle lace is to just get everything out of my face. I'm using the Kendra Volume Super Hold Spray. I don't want anything too heavy, too permanent. And I just spray this directly on the lace and like tap it with my finger. That's the easiest way for me, guys. And as you can see, you don't really need this because it was just fine before I started using this spray, right? You can wear it glueless. So next, let's take a random fan and dry it. Next, what I'm going to do is tie it up and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I have it tied down. So I'm gonna go ahead and move these clips because, baby, it's showtime, okay? It's showtime. What are y'all gonna do with me, right? Right? So let me stop playing so I can go ahead and show you guys the awesomeness in this hair. So you can go ahead and purchase you one too. I will leave all of the links below the video along with a discount code if they provide me with one, and you can just shop away. It's very inexpensive, very manageable, and you guys would love it. So we're back with the band off. So I'm just gonna fluff it a little bit. You don't even really need to flat iron this. It has like this messy, effortless look, but I want it to be more curtain bang. Like, we want that curtain bang look. So first, what I'm going to do is put all this back like this. Let's take some hairspray. Spray that right there. I'm just gonna take like a little edge brush and like, cause I want it back and to fall back like that. It's kind of hard to describe that, so I just have to show you, like, back a little bit and then coming back. Yeah. And then I'm gonna bring it back like, yeah. Very simple step. Next up, I'm gonna take this one little piece right here in the front and like curl it away from my face. Let's trim it just a little bit. Taking some scissors. These are some really big scissors. I'm just gonna frame my face a little bit more. All right, guys, now I'm gonna take like a big tooth comb and just give it a little volume. And that's it, guys. That is it. Easy peasy. All right, guys, so that's this wig. I will leave all of the information below about this awesome little short number. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.